Do you think about the consequences of human actions in marine ecosystems and what it could do to a species? Have you ever thought about the effect that a new extinct species could cause on the environment and the species involved? Have you ever wanted to help a marine species flourish as it once did? Well, we have a species and their ecosystem that could use your help. The pink sea fan, typically located in the northeast Atlantic and the Mediterranean. The pink sea fan, also known as gorgonians, are categorized with soft corals. They have protuberances or are wart-like. They are branched, shaped like a fan, and have an average height of 25 centimeters. Although they are called pink sea fans, their colors can vary from white to yellow and to orangey pink. They live firmly attached to rocks or other rocky surfaces under the sea. They are found in cold, shallow waters between 10 and 50 meters deep. According to Ransom 2014, there are around 83 different species of the sea fan which can be found in the northeast Atlantic, like the pink sea fan, located on the southwest coast of England. They have been listed as a vulnerable species due to human interaction as souvenirs, trawling, dredging, pollution, fishing gear, and more. According to Merrington 2017, when pink sea fans are found washed up on shore in fishing lines or other pollutants, they have the nickname sea fangles. The nickname was given to the pink sea fan after a large number were washed up on the shores around southwest England. Although fishing gear is not the only identified marine debris found with sea fangles, the amount of monofilament, gill net, trawl net, fishing line, and rope was the majority. After trying to protect these areas, they have still lacked the protection needs in their environment to survive. According to Grigno et al. 2016, the arborescent morphology of gorgonians makes them vulnerable to fishing activities along with their slow growth rate, which makes it take a long time for these species to recover from human activities. In their natural environment, they provide important feed-in and nursery areas for other species, including sea slugs, sea fan anemones, egg cases, and more. For the marine species, like the cat shark, that attaches their eggs to the pink sea fan. If the pink sea fan goes extinct, there is a very high chance that the species that depends on it will as well. To aquaculture the pink sea fan, it would be a semi-intensive system since they would need some supplementation. The water pumped into these tanks would be from the ocean to adapt them to their natural water qualities, meaning it would be a semi-closed system as well. We would have to retrieve a good amount of the pink sea fans from their stressful environment and put them into these systems. And when they reach their optimal growth and reproduction stage, that is when we will release these plants back into their natural ecosystems. To make sure that the ecosystem would still survive without them, we would have to leave most there in their natural habitat so that the other species dependent on the pink sea fan will be able to survive. The things to consider would be water quality, water temperature, growth rate, feed-in habits, reproduction, and more. According to Tutti et al. 2018, the gorgonians require currents to capture food like zooxanthellae. This is why they grow perpendicular to the direction of the current. Due to their declining species, pollutants, and their importance to other species, this is why aquaculture and the pink sea fan would make a huge impact on their species and their environment. The pink sea fan needs our help in order to save the species and the ecosystem it belongs to. Are you willing to make a difference?